Let me tell you briefly about Colonel Munib Ahmed, who started his law enforcement career in 2003 with the Broward Sheriff's Office. Beginning his career as a road patrol deputy in the city of Tamarack, he later joined the agency's Office of Homeland Security Division as a detective in the Counterterrorism Unit. In 2017, he served as a supervisor in the city of Weston before returning as supervisor of the Counterterrorism Unit. His responsibilities included coordinating with federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies for security planning, counterterrorism investigations, emergency management, and command operations of high-profile incidents, including coordination of law enforcement services for the Orange Bowl, the Super Bowl, and several national championships. He also regularly assisted the FBI Joint Terrorism Task Force and United States Secret Service with intelligence and protective service operations. And he was also a part of the Special Weapons and Tactics Hostage Barricade Team. In January 2019, Sheriff Gregory Toney promoted him to Major. He currently serves as the Sheriff's Executive Officer, as the Sheriff mentioned. Colonel Ahmed graduated from Southwest Miami Senior High School. He holds a Bachelor of Science degree in Criminal Justice Management from the Union Institute and University. He's also fluent in several languages. An accomplished man, this. Throughout his career with the Broward Sheriff's Office, Colonel Ahmed has received numerous awards, honors, and commendations from several local, state, and federal organizations for his dedication and excellence in service. Congratulations, Colonel Ahmed, and we'll be proud to present this award to you. If you'd come up, please. Congratulations.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to begin by giving grace to the Almighty God for giving me the opportunity to stand before you today. It is by the grace of God that we're all here. And by the grace of God is what people put people in their lives, starting with your parents, my siblings, and then later on, my amazing wife. And then shortly thereafter, after years of service, God put a man in my life that has changed my life for the better. I remember that day like it was yesterday, Sheriff. For giving me an opportunity and believing in me and believing in the passion that we have to serve this community every day. And God has chosen him for this position. Each of us are here because we're chosen for that position. We're honored to stand before you. We choose a service. We choose leadership because each one of us are leaders. We're born leaders. We just have to instill that leadership in every one of us. God knows that we know the current youth and the future of our community relies on our leadership. You know, servitude, the Sheriff spoke about that earlier. That's one of the common grounds of all of us that we do. Not only to serve in uniform, the one that serves without a uniform, the one that serves with a religious institution or any other part of the community. You are all leaders. We need to tap into that resource and become the servant leaders that we need to be at. And we need to encourage our youth to have that ability to carry that torch from all of us here today. So I want to thank all of you for being here today. And I want to thank Alhikmat TV and Alhikmat Foundation for your amazing work for the past 40 years. 30 years ago, I remember Shaikh Shafayat when I watched him as a young man growing up, giving his sermons. To see him today perform in front of us after 40 years is amazing. He's done amazing work, not only for this community, but for all of us. We are better people because of him, because he gave voice to the people that could not speak. He brought light to situations and current situations that we would never find out about. So I appreciate you, sir, for all your hard work and dedication for this community. And I wish you all the best. May God bless you. May God bless you all. Thank you very much.